How to send Remitly or how to send money with Remitly Express. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you on how you can send money on Remitly, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to send Remitly money, all you have to do is simply go ahead and open the Remitly application here. Then once you launch the Remitly app, you're just going to see this type of interface where first of all you want to make sure that you are simply signed into the account. So just go ahead and sign into your account. Once you sign into your account, by default you're going to see this type of interface. To send money, you can just tap the get started button that you see here. Once you tap on get started, you can see it says me to send money pop-up page will basically open up. Now you can select from which country you're selecting to which country. So if I send $100 from United States to the India, then they're going to receive this much in Indian rupees. Now here you can select Express or I can select economy. Now in economy you have to pay with bank account, and in Express you have to pay with debit or credit card. Depending upon what you want, just tap on the continue option over here, and as you do that you can select your delivery method. How would you like the money to be deposited, which could be your bank deposit, a cash pickup, a mobile money, or UPI. In this case, I'll just select bank deposit. Now you can select which bank account, which case there's different type of bank account based on the recipients that it shows. Once you select their bank account details, make sure to enter the account number, follow the on-screen instructions. These are all self-explanatory, and it depends upon what kind of recipient to which country you're also sending. But to give you a general context of the idea, this is how you can send money through Remitly Express. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.